Western Libya is home to Libya's Berber people, the Amazigh. Scattered across the Nafusa mountains are old Amazigh cities like this one in Al-Gelha. Abdullah Sassi says the Amazigh have a long and rich history in Libya.
The Imazighen were the original inhabitants of Libya. Here in this old city, there's evidence that dates back centuries. When Gaddafi came to power, he sought to Arabize our culture. It became illegal to name our children Imazigh names. He removed our culture from history books, but we preserved our culture in secret.
Tahir Burdu is a musician. He says before rebel groups revolted against Gaddafi in 2011, playing Amazigh music was a criminal offense.
Under Gaddafi, Imazigh musicians would play music in secret. It was seen as a form of rebellion. But after the revolution, we can sing our songs, speak our language. The revolution gave us liberty to express our culture and heritage.
The Amazigh coastal city of Zuwara is the largest in Libya.
The Imazigh played an important role in the revolution that toppled longtime leader Muammar Gaddafi. He outlawed their Tamazight language. Now, after more than a decade, they are able to openly celebrate their heritage and culture.
The Tamazight language is now being taught at this college in Zuwara. It's the only university in Libya that offers the course. Ruwaida Al-Malti is one of 7 recent graduates. She hopes to further her education and become a professor.
I am so proud to be one of the first people to graduate in the Amazigh language in Libya's history. What motivated me was wanting to know more about myself and my identity as an Amazigh woman. Studying in this department has helped me to understand our culture, language, and heritage.
Although Libya has been engulfed in violence and political division since 2011, the Amazigh say they're happy with their newfound freedom. Malik Traina, Al Jazeera, Western Libya.